Alright, YouTube, here for an unboxing. Iron Infidel Battle Bottle Compact. And then another Iron Infidel Battle Bottle. And a handle. So I bought two of them. That's what the first box looks like. Specs is going to be 32 ounce stainless steel, double wall insulated, BPA free, heavy duty nylon sleeve, foam pouch, and PVC patch. There's a QR code if you can possibly use that. We developed the Battle Bottle with durability at the forefront of our mind. I guess they meant to say mindset. Whether you are at the gym, shooting range, river, trail, campsite, or job site, our bottle was made for you. Patriot lifting gear. Battle Bottle. Alright. And then this is the other box. Same specs, except this one says a different saying on it. So it says our bottle was developed to meet the optimal intersection of durability and practicality for an intense active lifestyle. Take it to the gym, range, trail, ring, or campsite. The only thing tougher than this bottle is you. Iron Infidel. Alright. Go ahead and open up this one first. So it has the chug lid. Alright, and then this says one exclusive discount, compact bottle, shop our entire lineup. So just some advertisements. Alright. So this one has their Iron Infidel patch. And it's going to be their black camo. So really dark camo. Alright. This is going to be their straw. And then it attaches this way. Alright. Then I got this handle for my other one. So as you can see, it's gray. And it's a paracord handle. So these compact battle bottles do not come with the handle attached already. It's only the full-size ones. So I don't know if you really saw, but this one has a clip on it. There's going to be your pouch for your food inside of there. And then it has Molly all the way around. Alright, and then we'll open the other one I got. Here's the lid to that one. So again, that's matching color. Satisfaction guaranteed. Contact us directly. You have been automatically signed up for a 2-year product warranty. And then it says code to get 50% off. Alright, so this is going to be their snow camo, I guess is what you'd call it. White camo. Okay, your phone pouch. This one has a Iron Infidel patch that looks like that. Again, it has the clip. I'm going to attach the handle via the Molly. And then it comes again with the straw attachment already attached. I'll go ahead and take one of the bottles out so that way you can see the bottles. So just typical stainless water bottle. Has their Iron Infidel. Laser etched, I presume. And then I'll show you the inside of one of them too. So that's what the straw looks like in the inside of the lid. And then the inside of this lid. So they're both going to have their seal. And then inside of the bottle, stainless. Alright. Gonna move along to my other unboxing. So I picked up some Dr. Squash Coconut Castaway soap, and then some Birchwood Breeze, some Wood Barrel Bourbon, and then some Rainforest Rapids to try that soap out, see if I like it. And then the last thing I picked up is Hornady Black 124 grain 9mm XTP defensive rounds inside of this engraved box. Trying to open everything one-handed. Alright, so again, it's engraved Hornady, accurate, deadly, dependable. And then it's gonna come with 3 20 rounds box of the Hornady Black 124 grain. The box is definitely built better than I thought it was going to be. Alright, YouTube. See ya.